600 grit to hit the wing real quick. This is my new wing. I'm about to install it in my 370. This wing is the Stillen bunny wing. I think that's what it's called. And I'm about to hit it with 600. Okay. I'm doing it dry. You supposedly do it wet sand, but I'm doing it dry because there's 3 inch tape in the bottom already, and I don't want to mess that up because I don't want to recalculate it again. But normally that's what you need to do. You need to use water. I'm doing it dry. Using 600 grit. You can do it this way. I'm also gonna apply some bulldog. The bulldog is like some plastic. It's kind of like some glue that sticks into the plastic, and it sticks onto the paint, so it won't go anywhere. So that's what I'm doing right now. Normally, real painters, they use a stand. I don't have a stand. I had one. I don't know what happened to it. That's what I'm putting the wing on top of the tires. I mean, I've been doing this pretty often. These tires are no good anyway. I might paint it on top of the tires too. Why not? So right now, you gotta get every part, every angle, every corner where the paint's gonna stick to. So make sure you hit everything, because if you don't hit the spot, the paint will chip. Then all your effort, it will be worthless. Take your time. .600 grit, that's what I'm using. Alright, fan band, this is Bulldog, this is what I'm using. This is for plastic, so I'm gonna shoot it. But before you do that, you have to degrease the wing or any surface that you're gonna apply Bulldog to it. This is for plastic. What this do is this will stick to the plastic and the paint will stick to this, so that will be really strong and it will not come out. Alright guys, so I'm about to install the wing, the Stillen bunny wing. So what you need to do first is peel a little bit aside of the red tape and then grab another piece of tape and put it like over here like this. This is 3M tape for body shop. This is what I'm using. So whenever you sit the wing down on the car, you have to first measure it, make sure that everything's level. Once everything's level, you go ahead and start peeling the whole thing slowly. I'm about to show you how to do it. That's how I'm getting ready to put it on, okay? I'll see you in a bit. So the other day I already washed the car, so now I'm just gonna clean whatever, if there's any dust on it. As you guys can see, the car doesn't have no holes in it. That's another reason why I chose that wing, because it doesn't have any holes. I mean, because I don't have to drill any holes. That's why I chose it. So I'm about to go ahead and install it today. So what I'm doing is cleaning all the dust out of the trunk. Center. I feel like I'm kind of moving. I feel like it kind of moved a little bit. I don't know. Kind of like expanded.
You can't expand this out right here.
Huh?
No. So if you expand it,
Yeah,
it's
I feel
not
like
great.
that's because what happens is.
You want me to stop recording?
You still recording? Yeah, that's fine.
Record it? Babe?
Yeah, stop it. I'm gonna need your help. Alright, pro tip of the day. If you own a 240. Oh boy, what the hell happened? If you own a 240, bro, you need one of these sun visors. If not, your dash is gonna get more cracker than what it already is. Pro tip of the day. See that? I already got 2 cracks in there. We don't need any more. Oh yeah, I told you I fixed my windows, right? Look at that. Look at that one. That's right. So I'm gonna back out my car because during the installation of the wing, I need some sun so the wing can expand out. If for some reason it doesn't want to fit the way it should fit, so I'm gonna back out my car, and hopefully that'll help us a lot. I'm gonna back both of the cars out. So hopefully we get some pretty good sunlight. guys, so you guys have made it to the end of the video. Here you go. The Stillen rocket bonding wing is already on. That's what it looks like. I went for this wing right here because you don't have to drill any holes, right? It's just double-sided tape and then it mounts right on. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Brought to you by Junior Martinez, aka Highlight Tuners 1. There you go. What's next? Stay tuned for what's next. Alright, here we go. There's somebody in front of me, so I can't take off. It's just a pull for you guys. There you have it. We got more mods coming in for the 370C. I will keep you guys posted. Today I installed the Stillen bunny wing. I really like this wing a lot. I don't think I'm gonna change it. I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. The fact that you don't have to drill holes into your trunk. My car is a base model, so it didn't come with the wing. So you know what I'm saying. So that's another thing what I liked about the Stillen bunny wing. All it has is double-sided tape, and that's about it. But I'm loving it. On the next video, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix your random misfire. This car has a misfire, and I know why, and I'm gonna explain it to you guys on the next video. Remember, I just got this car, so the previous owner, I don't know what he did. I mean, every time you buy a new car, it's like a new present. You open it, and then you know what's inside. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Find out what's causing that misfire. And another thing that I like about the 370, it has AC. It feels good inside here. Outside it's like 75 or 79 degrees. And we're just enjoy the weather inside here. It feels good. My 240 doesn't have AC, so it sucks, man. And I try to register the car too. Everything costs money. If you guys can relate to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Help your boy out. Stop being a hater of your life. It's never too late to change. You know what I mean? Other than that, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one, alright? Remember, it's never late to be great. Keep pushing. Peace.
paisa too.
I'm already recording.
Huh? It's already recording. Think he wants some? He don't want some. You think he wants some? He don't want it. He's not even looking. He's scared. Let's see what your what is that, a Camaro? I don't know what that is. And remember, I got the AC on. Let me turn it off real quick so that way we catch full speed. No, he don't want to take off. Look. He got scared. He went and pumped some gas.
Really?
It's all good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll keep you updated. Well, as soon as I
Ticket number 551 through 555. That's 551 blue, 552 blue,
to the parking lot.
553, 554, 555 blue. Please go forward. That's 551, 552, 553, 553.
Coast to coast, I drop it on it. Tell me how you really want it. Latin boss, I'm a hoe. Ripping the game with a twist on it. All or nothing, how we play. Baby girl, if I may, take you with my Chevrolet and change your life in a major way. Give you things you never had. Champagne, bubble bath, presidential suite. He tell me, can you handle that? I came from nothing, now the whole thing changed. Pockets swelling out with hundreds. VIP when we